He's having way too much fun for a 69-year-old man.
It's landing. All right, we got the box open here. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 of the scent refills. There we go. Here's the product. Woo, nice and shiny. Look at that sucker. Oh yeah, it's really pretty. It's nice just for an ornament. Look over here out into the sun and see what happens real quick. There it goes. You guys ever been in a helicopter before? I have in the military. It's a blast. This is a great reminder of that. Look at that sucker. Fly me away to the moon.